Alright guys, I'm in the TT. I'm going to pick up George. We're checking out a couple meets tonight. It's 17 degrees outside, so it's freezing, but we're gonna make do. Probably just sit in the car most of the time, but we'll show you guys some cars. Howdy. This is how cold it is out here, so I left this cup in here a couple days ago and it was filled with water. And as you can see, this thing is solid ice. So that's good.
About that. For a reason. Okay.
Yeah, same, dude. Alright, well, we're back in the car. My hands feel like they're gonna fall off, but it is huge here. My windshield is really dirty, but it's huge here. There's people everywhere. The whole parking lot's filled. Mk5 Supra sliding it. We're probably gonna leave pretty soon because it's like 10 degrees outside and my hands feel like they're gonna fall off. Like, listen to that, we got Mk5 2 steps going on. Everything, it's crazy out here, but I'll probably just show off the cars a little bit and then we're gonna head out. Alright guys, we're leaving the brick banger. It's brick, my hands are fucking gone. But the cops, literally as we were pulling out, like 4 cop cars, lights blazing, pulled in. So we just left at the right time. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the slideshow. I don't know if this will be the end of the video, if I'm gonna add something else, but if it is, I'll catch you guys in the next one. So give this video a like and subscribe.